What's up, guys? Welcome back to the course. So in this video, I'm going to teach you and guide you step by step on how to set up your Google Ad campaigns. So just in case you haven't created your Google Ad account yet, create your account now. If you have your account, then just log in, and then this is like dashboard, the main dashboard. All we need to do is simply just to click on new campaign and then go to website traffic because we want to get more clicks to our affiliate landing page, and then click on continue. And then since we want to display our ads on searching engine, then click ads. Just in case if you guys want to do something different here, if you want to display your ads as a YouTube ads, then click video, or if you want to display your ad as a banner ad, then click on display. Okay, but in this time we're just going to display our ad as an ad on searching engine. That's the reason why we chose search. Okay, so let's name our campaign. So since we use Emil Gord as our example, so just type in Emil Gord weight loss product. Okay, then continue. Okay, so now it's the bidding section here. If you choose conversion, you're going to spend your budget quicker, because the conversion will definitely drain your budget really fast. So just choose clicks, and it really depends on your budget, guys. So if you have like very limited budget, so I highly recommend you to set up like a maximum cost per click bid limit of maybe, let's say, 0.5. So it actually means that you're only willing to pay like 50 cents for every single click. Okay, obviously the good thing about setting up your maximum CPC limit is that you're not going to drain your budget really quick, right? You're going to save your budget, your Google ad budgets. But there is also a downside. It means that if someone or other affiliate marketers out there willing to pay more, willing to have like higher bid limit, then their ads going to be the one that got displayed, and your ads not gonna get displayed. Okay, so their ads going to get shown like more often than your ads. So the consequences of that you're going to get like less clicks. Okay, that's the exact opposite. If you choose not to set up the maximum bid limit, then it means your budget's going to drain like faster. um However, your ads going to be shown like more often. Okay, all right, so next, since we only want to display our ads on search network, not like as a banner ad, so we just uncheck these options. Okay, um okay, so now the locations. It really depends on what type of product that you're planning to target, but me personally, I'm just going to target tier 1 countries like United States, because in these tier 1 countries you're most likely getting sales because they have like higher quality traffics, like more purchasing power, stronger purchasing power. Also Canada, what else, United Kingdom, right? United Kingdom, what else, Australia, and New Zealand. So these are like top tier 5 countries. New Zealand. Okay, cool. All right, so language, just keep it in English, because most, like vast majority of people who live in these 5 countries speak English. And you can add like more settings here, and do like a little bit of schedule setting. So it starts from today, February 3rd. You can set up like the end date. So if you only want to run your campaign for like a week, right? So just add it in, let's say, February 10th, and then save. Because you want to make sure you don't overspend your budget. Sometimes people like forget like the Google ad campaign that they're currently running, and then they simply just like run forever, and then without realizing that you've spent like lots of money that you actually didn't want to spend on ads. So that's really thing that you want to avoid, right? Okay, so now enter keywords. Again, we need to think from the perspective of buyer. If we were to buy Emil Gord, what kind of keywords that you want to choose, right? Maybe Emil Gord. What kind of keywords that you want to type in on the Google search engine. Maybe Emil Gord reviews. What else? Emil Gord discount. Emil Gord what else? Testimony, right? By what else? Purchase Emil Gord. Okay, so let's see. The Google Ads going to automatically count like the statistics of keywords that we chose here. Okay, so by having like these 5 or 6 keywords, we're going to receive like 12 clicks, 12 weekly clicks. And the average CPC is $3.16. That's very expensive, right? The reason why in the previous video I told you guys not to choose this product, I simply just use this product as an example for the sake of tutorial for this course. But if you try to run ad campaigns for Emil Gord, I don't think it's going to be a profitable Google ad campaigns because the CPC is very high, $3.16. So I don't think it's worth it. This is just for example, okay, guys. Right? So actually, if you have no idea like what to write here, Google is going to be able to like give you a suggestion too. So all you need to do, just go to Emil Gord website like this, and then copy and paste the Emil Gord official website, and then you can just enter the URL here and then update keyword suggestions. Okay, and Google Ads automatically provide you with all these suggestions of keywords. Look at this, awesome, right? So these are keywords that are related directly to the products. Low tummy fat, best bill. I'm not going to rate one by one, but these are just the suggestions. But all the suggestions available here, not all of them are necessarily relevant to your ad campaign. So again, we need to do the filter again. Don't just accept like all these suggestions, because most of the times these keywords are too broad. So people who don't even have any intentions to purchase Emil Gord going to search something else on Google search and suddenly see your ads and they click on it even though they don't even have any intentions to purchase, and you're just gonna waste your money, right? So that's the importance of making sure that the keyword the keyword that you choose have are related. The keyword that you choose are related to the product that you're promoting, right? Also, if you see like there is a sentence down here, let me scroll down a little bit. So when you type in like the keyword, for example, Emil Gord, you have like 3 different options actually. If you just type in like this, it's just going to be like a broad match. Okay, people who are searching for loss weight product and anything like that, then your ad is going to appear, and most likely it's not going to be very effective, because even people who don't have intentions to buy this product are actually going to click your links and waste your money, and you don't want that to happen. That's why we need to make our ad to be like a little bit more specific. Okay, so the second options here is just to put a quotation mark on your keyword like this. It's for like a phrase match, meaning that every single time someone type in like Emil Gord something on the searching engine, as long as it has like Emil Gord components in the sentence, your ad's going to appear. And there's a better and higher chance that people who type in something to do with Emil Gord has intentions to actually purchase this product. Okay, but if you want to be like a little bit more specific, just type in like this, using the exact match keyword. So put your keyword inside bracket like this. Okay, but you notice that the more concentrated, then the higher the CPC is. It's $7.82, almost $8 per click. So it's obviously insane, right? You don't want to waste your money on this type of product with a very high CPC. Okay, so my advice is either to use this close bracket, or if you don't mind to get like relatively lower conversion rate, but you don't, with lower CPC, just use the phrase match like this. Okay, then once you're done with this, just scroll a little bit down here. Just copy and paste your landing page here. The final URL is um, the final URL here is the URL that will direct the customer, the potential customers, to click on your ads and then go to the landing page. Okay, display page, I don't think it's very important unless you want to add something else here, maybe review products or anything, but I don't think that it's necessary to do it now. So headline is very important. Just type down the name of your product that you're promoting. Emil Gord here in this case. Maybe type in also like the price, $49 per bottles, I would say. And then what else? Free shipping, right? Notice that if you see a score here, Google automatically like assess the strength of your ads. It's a 69.5%, so it's definitely a poor ads rank. Okay, but that's okay. This is just a tutorial, right? Descriptions, just tell a little bit about this product. It's a weight loss product, like this. What else? When you purchase this product, you actually get like 3 ebooks, so get free ebooks, right? Okay, site links and callouts, I don't think those are necessary. Callouts is simply just to attach like someone's phone number, just in case anything goes wrong, and then the customer needs to call for like shipment process or anything like that. So yeah, just next. Okay, so here's the budget section. It's very important here. It really depends on like how much budget you have to begin with. So if you are a beginner and you don't want to spend a lot of budget, you don't want to spend a lot of money, start with maybe like $10 a day or $5 a day. Okay, so just type in like the amount of budget. For example, I use this $10 as an example. So the system will automatically estimate like amount of clicks you're going to get weekly. So if you use like $10 as your daily budget, you're going to receive like approximately 17 clicks. Okay, you're going to receive 17 clicks here. And the weekly cost is $70 because you just multiply 10 by 7 because there are like 7 days in a week. And the average CPC is going to be like $4.15. It means you're going to each click is going to cost you $4.15. Okay, so if you already analyze and see this fits your budget, then just click on next. And now this is the review. Okay, make sure that you reread the review before publishing your campaign, because you don't want to have like misinformation. Actually, you can fix it even after your campaign has run, but you don't want to run wrong campaigns, right? So just make sure everything is right, everything fits your plan, and then if you have checked it and then you feel it's good to go, then just click on this button, publish campaign. Okay, but I'm not gonna click it right now because this is just for the sake of tutorial. Okay, so I'm just going to discard the ad, so I'm just going to click on this save for later. Alright guys, I think that's it for Google Ads campaign. Next video we're going to be talking about how to set up your TikTok ads campaign. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.